Hello guys, in this video we're going to explore the new prototype feature in Sketch. So in order to access this feature you must have the recent version of Sketch, so that's the 49 and upper. So you can just check on the top left and yeah, in case you don't have it you can update it or buy the new latest version on the Sketch website. So this new prototyping feature is very useful, and I'm glad that Sketch now introduced this because it's going to make our lives much easier. And it's very simple. So at the moment I'm having these two mobile screens from one of my UI kits, and if we want to use the prototyping feature we can simply go and select a group of the screen, and once selected you can see on the right section that we have in the prototyping tab, and in order to add a new link to our prototype you can simply click on the plus icon, and as you can see now two things will appear. The first one is the actual hotspot, which is the group which is selected, and the second one is this arrow. And this arrow is very important because it's going to create the link from the hotspot to the new interaction element. So in this case we're going to select the second screen, and once I click and release you can see that the line and the arrow will point towards the second screen. And in order to see this prototype live, you can simply go on the top menu bar, and on the right you're going to see this new preview icon, and you can simply click on it, and this is going to be your prototype. So you can scroll, and if you go on the bottom section on the this group here, you're going to see that the hover changes, and you can see that it's going to be clickable. Once I click on it, I'm going to be redirected to the second screen, and this is very useful, and this can really help you build some complex projects, and you can showcase them to your clients and show them as if it's the real app and the real thing going. So if you explore the prototyping menu on the right, you can see that you can actually choose different animations. So the first one is going to be just no animation. The second one is going to be the animate the artboard from the right, then the bottom, left, and top. And this will basically allow you to create different animations. So if, for example, I select the one from the bottom and I retry to go on the prototype, you're going to see that the second artboard is going to appear from the bottom. And so it really depends on the project and on what makes sense from a UX point of view in those specific scenarios. And yeah, in case you want to change the target, you can actually do so from this menu, and once I click on it you can see that the first level is going to be the pages. So in this case, if you check on the left, I have page 1 and the symbols, and that's actually reflected in the first level. And in the page 1 you can see all the artboards. So this is going to be like a different level, and you can also select none or the previous artboard. And overall I think that they did a really good job, and you can use the prototype feature in different ways. You can also connect like a top level to go to the very bottom of the artboard, and there's a lot of room for different combinations that you can do. You can also create an animation which goes back and forth. So once you're in the second artboard, you can go back. And yeah, this can really be useful. And there's a lot of things that you can do with this new function. So I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you.